Hello and welcome to another vlog. So this week we are going to New York and we're going to see my family for the whole week and I'm really excited about it. Preston gets to go with us, so that's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna go pick him up here in just a second. And yeah, so we're just getting everything like pretty much loaded up and then we're gonna head out. So I am on my way to go get Preston now. And there's a rig getting in front of me, going way too slow. But yes, I am very excited to see my family. Dude, this guy needs to learn how to drive. But I'm very excited. We're gonna do a bunch of fun stuff and I can't wait for you guys to see. We are halfway there. Hey guys.
Hi. This is
Preston. You're not sleeping.
Jumanji together with Preston. Hey.
I've seen this movie. This is like the 6th time I've seen it and I still love it.
Yeah, me too.
We're here! So we're at the house. My family owns it and rents it out. And my parents' room that they claimed has a creepy basement. So Preston and I are getting ready to go down and check it out. I'm leaving this as video evidence if anything creepy happens. Oh Lord, this is a thing of nightmares. Don't leave me. Oh, it's not that bad.
You don't want to get a shot of it? Are you serious? You just
I don't. Oh, they're here. They're here. Okay, so I'm here with my aunt and Sarah, my cousin, right here. And we're about to go surprise my other cousin Josh, and I'm real excited. Over here.
Hey, baby.
Over here. What? Hey. Look at this sweet baby.
And I'm like, really? He goes,
say hi.
Before, and he goes, when I see
The
what's
face.
going on, you're like,
No, you're so cute.
This is our fair on the square that they do every Friday.
Good morning. So last night we just kind of hung out with everybody and right now not a whole bunch happened last night, that's why I didn't film much. So now we just got up and around waiting on coffee because I'm real tired, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my makeup done and then got some fun stuff coming. Look at this sweet little face. Hi babies. So I'm going to get a tattoo and I'm going with everybody. Mom, Sarah back there. Well, Miss Emma, you can't see. Aunt Jody and Preston. I'm so nervous. So I just want to say that that place was so good. But look, okay, there were like regular size French fries and bear cup, bear bowl, something size. These were regulars, okay? That is a regular serving of French fries, and we have like 4 of them left because there was too many. But they were so good, weren't they, guys? Yes, they were so good.
Yeah.
Good morning. So today a bunch of my family is gonna end up getting together and we're gonna have like pizza and, you know, just hang out and do that kind of stuff. I just wanted to show you guys my tattoo because I hadn't shown you yet. Look. It says it does not matter how slowly you go so long as you do not stop. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go drink coffee and eat something and I will check in with you guys in a bit. So everybody's not, why are you running away from me? Why are you running away? No one's here yet, so we're just waiting for everyone to show up for this party thing. So naturally we're having a dance party with Emma. Where is she? There you are. Yes. Strike a pose. Hi guys.
Calming was the word, you're right.
Oh gosh, bug. Good morning. So it is downpouring today, so I don't know what we're gonna end up doing. Not a whole bunch happening right now. We're all just kind of hanging out. I feel like I haven't filmed very much. Like I haven't talked very much during this trip, but we've been having so much fun together with my family, so it's been a little hard to try to get like a bunch of footage. So yeah, yesterday we got up and around and we went to one of the lakes around here, so that was really nice. Other than the fact that I couldn't swim, so I literally had to like tape a little strip of garbage bag. No, I band-aided a strip of garbage bag to my tattoo because I didn't want it to get infected getting into the water. So I just kind of, you know, walked in and stood in it with Preston for a little while, but it was really nice. And then after we did that, we went to, I can't remember the name of the little diner that we went to, but it was super cute. They have really good food. I got a what was it, a blue cheese or a buffalo blue cheeseburger or something like that, and it was really good. And they had like all of these like miniature things for sale, like these tiny little like animals that were like minis. It was crazy. And they had like a bunch of decorations on the walls that were like little mini doll houses and stuff. And then after that we got another ice cream and then we just came back here and hung out for a little bit more. So yeah, today is our last full day, unfortunately. Makes me sad. But yeah, like I said, right now it's just kind of downpouring. I don't think you can even see that. So yesterday we ended up just hanging out all day. We didn't do much. So today is our travel day. So we are just kind of packing everything up and we are about to get on the road. Alright guys, so we are home. So yeah, this is the end of our New York vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did quite a bit of fun things. I feel like I didn't film as much as I wanted to, but when I get around my family, we have so much fun, and then you add Preston to that and it's just, you don't even think about anything other than just being together. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to just hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you all have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye!